Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is what I eat to stay lean on a plant-based diet. So I'm going to show you exactly what I ended up having on this day. And today's workout was a 3-mile run, so it was a cardio day. And I've been doing my cardio on Tuesdays and Fridays, and I've been doing my strength training on Mondays and Thursdays. So it was a good 3-mile run. I did that at 11 a.m. as usual. Came home and got cleaned up, and I'm having my first meal here at 1 p.m., which was pineapple. I found a really good pineapple at a local market, so I picked that up. Turned out to be, I would say, about a 9 out of 10. It was pretty delicious, so I enjoyed that. And I always start off with either a smoothie or a high water content fruit. Nice and hydrating, good way to get the first meal in. And there it is, the whole pineapple. And then a little while after that, when I got hungry again, I had half of a mini watermelon. And this is a really good mini watermelon. So I've been getting some good watermelons and good pineapples in there. And then at around 3:30 p.m., I had a bowl of blueberries, organic blueberries. That's one of my staples, one of my favorites. Then about 5 p.m., I made a salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, and I had some leftover sweet potato and quinoa that I had cooked up for a different dish, so I threw it in there as well. And that was at 5 p.m. And then I had my last meal at 7 p.m. Oh yeah, I also put some of the sesame ginger dressing on the salad. Then at 7 p.m., I had this tofu dish, sweet and spicy tofu over rice. I had actually had a second bowl of that as well. I had some jalapeno toast, or jalapeno bread that I toasted up, and a large bowl of peas. And then for dessert, I had some trail mix. So that was it for the day. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.